So in this program, we are asked to write a function that calculates the sum of all of the integers between two values, and they need to be inclusive. So if I entered like 10 and 15, then it needs to add 10 and 15 in the sum. And then it says that my function should accept two numbers as parameters, and it should return the sum, and it should write a main program that illustrates that the function is working. All right. So let us create our functions. So we'll make a function called sum between, and I need to accept two values as parameters. Okay, and it is just going to add up all the values between A and B. So we need a total variable, and I am going to use a for loop. So for I in range between A and B, but for loops are exclusive, so I just need to add one to B. Okay. And I just need to total up the counter inside. Okay, so that adds up all the numbers between A and B, and then I need to return that value. Okay, so there's my function, and now I'm going to write a main program that kind of just tests it. So here's my main. So I have a starting value. Get the value from the keyboard. So enter first value. I have my ending value. Okay. Oh, forgot that bracket. All right, and then I'm going to test my function. So I'm going to say my added up is going to be the sum between. So I'm going to call that function, and I'm going to send it start, and I'm going to send it end. Okay, and then I'm just going to print out the sum equals, and we'll print out added up. So what it's going to do is, if we run it, got to call main first. Okay, so enter the first value, let's say 10, enter the next value, let's say 15. Okay, it says the values between 10 and 15 is 75. So what this program is doing is it's taking 10, substituting it in here, taking 15, substituting it in there, okay, sending those values to the function, it's performing those calculations, and it's sending the result back to add it up, and then my main program is printing it out. Okay, and if you did add up the values between 10 and 15, you would get 75.